In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mute a group, maybe a group chat, or any other thing on the Skype application. So first of all, of course, if you have the Skype application in your PC before, this will be great. But of course, if you don't, you'll need to go and open whatever browser you are currently working with, or whatever browser working fully will be great. Once you open that browser, go to the URL section and type download Skype application. Of course, once you did that, go to the first link and start downloading the application. This, of course, will be pretty easy and simple because you must have been downloaded something on your PC before, so it will be the same steps. Once you did that, once it downloaded, go and install it and open it up. And when you open it, they will ask you to log in into your account. Of course, if you have an account, make sure to log in into it. But if you don't, you will need to go and create one. Of course, you will have an option to do that from there. So once you did one of the two options, which is logging into your account or creating your account, you'll find yourself here with this home page with the welcome sentence and of course with your name or your username. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to mute a group on the Skype application. So of course, first of all, you would like to go to your chat option here at the top left corner. So maybe if you are at calls, contacts, or notification, you can just go here and click at this chat section. And of course, if you want to mute a group chat, of course, first of all, I have here like two meetings, two group chats. Of course, this will work with the meetings and even the group chats. So of course, you can just go and right click whatever you want to mute and go to manage group. Once you are here, just scroll down a bit until you find this notification option. Make sure to make it off and go out. And here you are. You muted the group. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.